Hi there, I'm Mike Sullivan. I created Born to Shine to share with K through 6 students to help them reduce their anxiety and depression and turbo boost their self-esteem, their self-confidence, and their sense of worth. Every single school district that I work with, I ask the students, are you feeling stressed or anxious? Every hand goes up, and we're talking K through 6. And all the other stats that I don't even want to tell you because they're so awful with suicide ideation and actual suicide are through the roof, and it's happening in the K through 6 world. So I wanted to shed some light and some positivity on this and turbo boost your students' self-esteem with using psychology, storytelling, and music. And they learn these three skills: how to love themselves, which is overcoming their internal critic, how to overcome fears, which is using a neuroscience hack, and then master the moment, which is going to dramatically improve their test scores and reduce their test anxiety. And when they do that, it has a ripple effect and reduces the anxiety that they're feeling in everyday life. So now they can truly thrive in school and in life and totally shine from the inside out. So this is going to make your school district the go-to district. And the parents are going to call you and say, "What did you do? My son or my daughter is feeling amazing. Thank you for what you did." And if any of this sounds of interest to you, I'd love to show you a 10-minute demo over Zoom, just so you can determine if it's a fit for your school district. And if it is, wonderful. And if it's not, totally cool. I'm here for you, and all of your students were born to shine.